I bought this truck new in October of 2006. Just rolled 1 million miles back in July. It has been my rolling work office slash delivery truck slash personal vehicle for almost 19 years now. I put at least 1,000 miles a week on it for work, plus my personal mileage. So I average about 55,000 a year on it. I use the Chevron 400 XLE 10W30 synthetic blend. When I first bought it, I had 400 1540 in it, and then right around that time is when the XLE 1030 started to gain traction, and I'd heard there's better fuel economy with that. So I switched to that and gained about 1.5 miles per gallon fuel economy, and have used that ever since. I've always run Michelin's on it. I've put, I think this is my 7th set of tires on it, the XLE. Why don't I just look at the side of the damn tire? LTX AT2s is what has run the best for me. I had one set that I got 168,000 miles out of. It is quite often a topic of conversation because they all know that it's been building up to this 1 million miles. How many miles you got on that thing now? Holy cow, that's crazy. It's like, hey, Muncy, I can't believe you got 1 million miles on that thing, man. That's cool. You know, so it was really nice to hear from some people that I hadn't talked to in a few years. I'm gonna run it till I retire. And it's kind of like an old friend. You know, I've got everything just right so that it works for me. I still walk out and I look at this and go, that's a good looking truck, you know?